Hi, and thank you for reaching out to SunBoss Rooms and Baths. Whether you're thinking about adding a screen wall system, drop shades, a slide clear wall system, or one of our incredible conservaglass sunroom or patio rooms, we wanted to make this quick video to help educate you on how the process typically works once you contact SunBoss. The first thing to understand is that every project is different, every home is different, and every client has different goals. So when you first reach out to us, one of our team members is going to spend a little time learning exactly what you're hoping to accomplish. You may already know exactly what you want. Maybe you're looking to enclose an existing patio or build a sunroom, add a conservatory, or create a bug-free outdoor living area with one of our screen room systems. Regardless of what product you call about, one of the first things we'll ask for is your home address. And the reason is actually very simple. We want to verify that your property can properly accept the type of addition you're considering. That includes things like setbacks, available space, and roof connection areas, and structural limitations, as well as local city or county requirements. We'll also ask if you can send us a few pictures of the area you'd like to improve. The best way to do this is to simply turn your phone sideways and stand back far enough so we can clearly see the full connection to the house, the patio area, and the overall backyard space. Some clients wonder why we ask for photos before we even come out to the home. The reason is because this helps us help you much more effectively. Using your photos, we can often create 3 or 4 different 3D renderings, showing various options already designed directly onto your home. It's actually pretty incredible technology, and it helps both you and us understand what's possible before construction ever begins. The photos also help us identify important structural details early in the process. For example, do we have enough height for the room connection? Will the home need modifications to achieve the style you want? Sometimes, on a single-story home, the roof connection area may simply be too low. In those situations, we may recommend modifying part of the existing roofline or building what's called a dormer to gain additional height for the room. Other homes may have plenty of height already, with virtually no restrictions at all. And sometimes clients have a sloped shed-style roof, but still want a dramatic cathedral ceiling sunroom. That's absolutely possible. In those situations, we can often remove part of the existing roof structure, reframe it into what's called a California connection, and then attach a beautiful gable or cathedral-style sunroom system. There are solutions for almost every situation, but understanding the home first is critical. Another important part of the process is helping clients understand realistic budgeting. Unfortunately, there's a lot of misleading pricing information online. Many companies advertise unrealistically low pricing, simply to get into your home and pressure you to make a decision that night. At SunBoss, our approach is exactly the opposite. We want to understand your goals, educate you honestly, and help you understand what it will realistically take to bring your vision to life. SunBoss does not sell one product only. SunBoss carries every product available, so we can fit the product you need for your project. Sometimes clients want to place a new room directly on top of an existing patio slab, but what many homeowners don't realize is that the slab may be cracked or improperly sloped, lacking proper footing, or simply not engineered to support a large glass structure long-term. For major structures like conservatories and all-glass sunrooms, we often recommend removing the old concrete entirely and building a brand new engineered slab system. That may include steel rebar and epoxy anchoring into the home, perimeter footings, and moisture barriers beneath the slab. The worst thing you can do is place a beautiful new room addition on top of a failing foundation system. And if modifications are needed, we already know what solutions are available. Now, after hearing all of this, we want you to understand something very important. We're gathering information so we can properly guide you and help design the right solution for your home and what your home will realistically allow. That way, our design consultation becomes productive, efficient, and exciting. At SunBoss, we truly believe the more education we provide up front, the smoother and more successful the entire experience becomes. And we genuinely look forward to helping bring your vision to life.